Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of videos not playing on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. A weak connection can prevent videos from loading. Next, clear the WhatsApp cache. To do this, 1. Open your phone's settings. Select Storage and Cache, and then tap Clear Cache. If the issue persists, update WhatsApp to the latest version. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if available. Another fix is to check your phone's storage. If your device is running low on space, WhatsApp may struggle to load media files. Delete unnecessary files and apps to free up space. Also, check your device's date and time settings. Incorrect settings can cause issues with media playback. Ensure your phone is set to automatic date and time. If videos still won't play, disable any power-saving mode or battery optimization for WhatsApp. These settings can sometimes restrict app functionality. Lastly, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches causing the issue. And that's it. Try these steps to fix video playback on WhatsApp. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.